Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing fajita chicken kit, seasoned chicken with roasted peppers, onions, and classic fajita skillet sauce. It's from Frontera. We had a lot of Frontera foods, but none of them was like the best food on earth. It was like so-so. Heat and serve. It's fully cooked. It's chicken raised without antibiotics. I hope there's no cilantro because there's a picture of cilantro here. I can eat it. My dad can eat it, but can my mom eat it? As you guys know, no. Description. Seasoned chicken fajitas, why do I keep on saying fajitas? It's fajitas. The heating instructions 1, 2, 3, 4. Heat, add, and serve. That's easy to remember. It contains fish, which is anchovy, soy, and wheat. The price is here, by the way, because I forgot to take it off. What's the price? $19.26. That's an odd price. 19's easy. 26. That's not a common price. It's more of a $19.25. That's reasonable. Okay, let me get this thing out. Well, there's the chicken and what looks like orange juice. And there's the vegetables in what looks like gravy. It's roasted peppers, onions. And here is the classic fajita skillet sauce, which looks like soy sauce to me. But that's just what it looks like. Let's put this all in the saucepan on the stovetop. We're doing the stovetop, right? There's only one method, so it's stovetop. Let's heat that up, and I'll see you probably in the kitchen. Okay, I'm back at the round table with the food. I'm gonna taste it. As always, just okay. Not bad, not good. Is it the best food in the world? No. Is it the worst food in the world? No. My dad's rating is 3.9. I'm 3.7. It's lacking flavor. There's like, I smell jalapeno for some reason. I don't know why, but I smell jalapeno. Well, if I smell jalapeno, I smell jalapeno. It might be just the pepper, but I think it's jalapeno because there's spice in here. There could be. You didn't tell the ingredients, Dad. You didn't tell the ingredients. Well, not bad. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown silly compact table. And I'll see you guys again in my videos. Bye!